In episode 3 of my Off-beat Himachal series, I travelled to Chaminoo, a small village in the Chamba Valley, to stay with a traditional Gujjar family. Coming up. Good morning guys, what's happening? Welcome to the vlog. If you're following the series, I'm in Dalhousie at the hostel, and guys, this view is absolutely amazing. Actually, all the views in Dalhousie are amazing. That's the magic of the hills. So today I'm going to this place near Chamba. So if you followed yesterday's vlog, I went to Gujjar through Chamba, but today I'm going to go to Chamba and then go to this village called Chaminoo, where there's this nice village experience waiting for me. I have booked it online. I don't know anything about it, so I'm going to get fresh right now. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then we're going to go there together. Guys, just left this hostel right now, heading to Baniket. I can actually go to Dalhousie and catch the bus, but from Dalhousie the frequency is maybe once in an hour, and in Baniket every 15 minutes you get a bus to Chamba, and then from there I will be going to another village for which I'll have to catch a bus. So you guys go see this montage. I'll meet you at the village stay that I'm heading to. So guys, after changing 2 buses, I finally reached this village of Chaminoo. Now I have to find my village stay. Even the Chamba to Chaminoo bus ride is amazing, but I was standing and I could not take any footage. But seriously speaking, it was really good. Now looking for my homestay. So guys, I found out I met Mr. Rafi, whose homestay I'm going to. He has a shop in the village, so if you're coming, just get off at the village and ask for Rafi's shop. Now it's about 1 kilometer from the main road. I finally reached my homestay in Chaminoo. This is Rafi's house. I booked it with this company called Not On Map, and guys, seriously, this is not on the map. I couldn't find it on Google Maps. It's 1 kilometer away from the main road, and all you can hear is the Sal River, which is flowing over here, which is like a 2-minute walk from here. So if you guys saw, it's a bit of a trek to get here, but I'll tell you what is so amazing about this experience, guys. So in the Chamba Valley where I am, a lot of tribes in the olden days came and settled here, nomadic tribes. One of them was the Gujjar tribe. This home is owned by Mr. Rafi, who was part of one of those Gujjar tribes. So this is a traditional Gujjar tribe Himachali house where I'm staying in. I hope you enjoyed that little montage of Rafi's house. Like, I can't tell you how I'm feeling just because of this authentic experience. I've never experienced a village house in Himachal. I've stayed in homestays, but this is very different. I don't know why. I can't explain it. But right now, this is what I'm looking at, and I'm trekking down just to explore the areas in and around. So let's do that. So guys, just walking around and exploring, and I reached this bridge. I had crossed this bridge to get to Rafi's homestay as well. So this bridge basically connects the market of Chaminoo to the village where people stay. Amazing, over the Sal River. So this is basically a river that goes from here, and in Chamba, the city of Chamba, it joins the Ravi River. So guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm sitting right next to the river, I was on the bridge before that over there, and now I'm just come and found a spot just by the river, and I'm chilling. I thought I would do something called story time with you guys, because this is exactly how I feel. So basically, this town, this village, this experience is got me thinking, because I still remember on my first trip to Himachal, my first ever solo trip, I was so scared, and I booked Manali and Kasol and all the things that tourists do, I did. But every time I used to be in a cab and passing from one place to another, I used to see these villages. And I used to think, you know, how amazing it would be to live in these villages rather than do these touristy things and do what tourists always do. And that's exactly what I've done, you know. This place is 1 kilometer from the main road. You know, I can see cars, very small cars passing by, buses passing by. People will be looking at these villages, beautiful homes, and thinking the exact same thing. At least tourists might be thinking the exact same thing. Which is why I am so happy. Because for me, traveling has come such a long way that, you know, I used to be one of those really scared travelers who took cabs everywhere and only stuck to the trail and did things that tourists do, read blogs and only do the important things. But now I love coming out of the way and doing this, because this is exactly what I wanted when I started to travel. When I started to travel, I did not know exactly what I want, but I knew the feeling, and that's the feeling I'm getting today. I know today's vlog has not been too much. I've just been exploring a very small village in the Chamba Valley, but guys, it's very important to come and do these experiences. I think now the sun will go down in about 10-15 minutes maybe, but it's already 6 o'clock. Nice light. I'm going to take some pictures and then go back to the homestay. After sitting by the river for some time and clicking some pictures, I decided to return. As I got back and got fresh for the evening, I was called for dinner. As food was being prepared, I got introduced to the whole family. I was served up this traditional dish called the madra along with makki ki roti. Now the madra is this special dish which is served on special occasions, and it is made of rajma and cooked in a lot of fat. The dish was really tasty but really heavy, and I got knocked out minutes after eating it. Good morning guys, I am continuing the vlog from yesterday. Actually, when I was sleeping, the flowing river over here, it's such a soothing sound, it put me to sleep, and I was supposed to wake up at 6:37, because I slept at like 10:30, 11. But I ended up waking up at 9 o'clock right now, and breakfast has just been served. So I've been served some traditional breakfast, and this is corn bread, and it is served with honey over here with tea. So it is a very traditional Gujjar breakfast that they have over here. So whatever they locally grow, they use it all in their meals. But it is such an amazing morning guys. I have just gotten up, and this is what I'm looking at. This is my view, and this is going to be my view for the rest of the day. Guys, I just finished up breakfast, and I saw these kids come out and take their seats, and then a teacher come. So you can see behind me, I don't know if you can, but these kids are actually studying, so I'm trying to keep it low. And there's a teacher who's come, so she's been teaching them ABCD and 1 2 3 4 numbers. That's what I've been hearing. Very sweet kids. So basically Mr. Rafi stays here with his family, and his family is made up of 12 people. That's his brother, his wife, his children, his brother's wife, and all of that. But there are some kids that have also come from the neighboring huts in the village. So they're all sitting here and studying. It's so nice to see the girls and boys getting educated even in small villages like this, and so dedicated to the teachers who come here and teach them. It is pretty amazing. So guys, I'm currently entered the mud house. I'm sorry if it's echoing, but this is the same mud house where I ate my dinner last night. So this is a traditional Gujjar Himachali mud house, where basically made of cow dung and mud. It keeps them warm and insulated. This is where they cook their food. In fact, here is where they cook their food. I was sitting here yesterday. There are all the utensils and things needed to cook their food. I ate their special rajma, whose name I don't remember, but I'll keep the name here. I think it's called madra. It's cooked during their special occasions and weddings only, but they made it specially for me. But this is what it looks like. This is basically a community room where they come and meet and eat together. It's very special just being in here. Just check it out, guys, all around me. Isn't it really special? Now I'm going to go and check out. Apparently the cattle are going to be coming out, so we'll go check that out. But you guys go look at some B-roll of this room. So guys, I'm currently behind the house of Mr. Rafi, where all the cows and buffaloes and sheep and horses are feeding. I don't want to startle them, but that is where they come. And behind me, they've been given their fresh hay, green hay. I've been seeing that they like green hay more than the yellow hay, and they told me that it gives them more nutrition apparently. I think Rafi's son Iqbal is the one who is taking care of everyone. It's amazing just to see them, you know. But guys, check that out. The sheep are over here. There's a single female horse over there. These are the buffaloes, and there's one cow over there. But such an amazing experience with his family members sitting behind doing the daily chores. It's just so nice looking at all this, experiencing all this with the fresh air and the mountains all around me.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little thing with the cattle that we just did. Spent a lazy afternoon with them and it was so nice. This brings to an end another day in Chaminoo, a really nice village in the Chamba Valley, guys. The sun has just set and the life here is a little slow, but I just can't put into words how amazing it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little village experience that I showed you about Rafi's house. It is really nice. It is really not on the map. It is not on the charted path, but you will have great time, especially with the experiences that are here. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this sort of vlog, you know, when I'm not going to too many places but showing you all one definitive place and what are the experiences around it. If you guys do, please let me know in the comment section so I know what to give you all more. Also, if you're coming here, bring a great book. Just sit here, enjoy with a cup of tea, do the activities that I did, and believe me, you will have a great time. As darkness fell on the village of Chaminoo, I joined Rafi and family for one last dinner before calling it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog about a village stay in the Chamba Valley. If you guys did, please like, share, comment and consider subscribing. And guys, do hit that bell icon so you guys never miss an update. Thanks for watching.